Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift on Mac. Many players want to enjoy this popular mobile game on a larger screen, and it is entirely possible. We will cover two main approaches: leveraging powerful cloud gaming platforms and utilizing Android emulators. Both methods offer unique advantages, allowing you to dive into the action with your friends. Get ready to transform your Mac into a battle arena for thrilling 5 versus 5 matches. Cloud gaming services are an excellent way to play Wild Rift on your Mac without any complex installations. Platforms such as GeForce Now or Boosteroid stream the game directly to your device over the internet. You will need a reliable internet connection, preferably 25 megabits per second or higher, for a smooth experience. This method allows you to enjoy the game's full graphics and performance, as the heavy lifting is done on remote servers. It is a straightforward and efficient solution. Another effective method involves using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your Mac. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player. Once installed, you can access the Google Play Store within the emulator and download Wild Rift just as you would on a mobile device. For the best performance, ensure your Mac has at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and a capable processor. This approach gives you direct control over the game's mobile version. To maximize your Wild Rift experience, consider a few key tips. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to match your Mac's capabilities for smoother frame rates. Many players find using a compatible game controller offers greater precision and comfort than keyboard and mouse. Always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection to avoid lag during critical moments. With these methods and tips, you are all set to enjoy countless hours of Wild Rift on your Mac. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.